Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Binance API key step by step. Open Binance and sign in, then go straight to API management. Click Create API, enter a label name, complete two-factor verification, and follow on-screen prompts to generate your API key and secret. Copy keys to a secure password manager and never share the secret. Keep IP restrictions and permissions minimal for safety. After generating keys, verify your identity via email and two-factor authentication to activate the API. Immediately copy the API secret into a secure password manager and avoid saving it in plain text or screenshots. Set IP whitelisting and select only the permissions your application requires, like reading data or trading, to reduce exposure. Regularly rotate keys and revoke any you no longer use to maintain account security. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easier with leak-proof containers I use. They save time and prevent spills when you're busy coding or trading. Check the video description for the link and other deals if you want them. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now test the API in a cautious way by using read-only access or a sandbox if you have one available. Try small, low-risk actions first and monitor account activity and logs closely to ensure requests behave as expected. If anything looks odd, revoke the key immediately and generate a new one. Treat permissions conservatively and keep a change log for audits and troubleshooting to stay in control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.